You got 1, you got 2 right here, and then you have 1 more, this one right here, 3.